With you, I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love the way that you love me today. Let's run up through the fields where the sun shines and heals. With you, I wanna stay with you. It's been so cold since you have been gone.
Now this is the file. You have the EFI com.apple recovery boot and after install folder. Okay, in EFI you get boot and then open core folder. Open core folder, this is all the configurations that is inside and the boot. Okay, and Apple recovery folder, it has base system DMG and chunk list. You can see the file 3 KB and 640 KB. That's the file inside. Now the after install is the EFI folder that you will copy on your EFI after the installation. Alright, now let's start formatting the hard disk, the USB. CMD. Okay, you can run it as an administrator. Okay, now pull this down. Okay, we go to this part. Okay, then you list the disk. So I got two disks. This is the main disk and this is the 4 GB card, USB. Sorry. Now I'm selecting the 4 GB. Select this one. Then let's clean it. Okay. Let's wait. Okay, now it's clean. Now make it primary. Create partition primary. Alright, and cancel that. Okay, and then let's format this. Format fs equals to FAT32. Okay, format fs equals to FAT32. Now it will format the hard disk, the USB. Once it is finished, then I will continue. It's 57%. Just this will take time. Just wait, be patient. Okay, done. I got the folder here. Let's exit this part. Okay. Now This is a 4 GB. This, okay. Recently, after the format, it's empty. Now this is the file that you downloaded. Okay. There are 3 folders in it: EFI, recovery, and after install. File inside is boot OC. Alright, and after install is another EFI folder which you will copy after the installation to boot. Mind you, this is OC, Open Core Bootloader, and after the install we will use Clover Bootloader, because I tried my best to create Open Core folder EFI, but I cannot, it's very hard to do it. Now copy these 3 folder and place it on your USB. Okay. Now after the copy, I'll pause the video. Almost complete. Okay, it's done. Now on your USB you have these 3 files after copying. I'll go back. This, let's rename it to EFI. Okay, now it's EFI. Now let's boot. Now this is my Lenovo Thinkpad. Actually, it's now it's running. There is an update available, so it's running now. I have to shut it down. Shut down. Okay. Now it's shut down. This doesn't have an Ethernet port. It is important to use your Android device and connect it to USB and set your Android device to USB Wi-Fi tethering, because without Wi-Fi connection it's not going to install. Let's open it. Enter. Let's see the BIOS. There is a BIOS setting. Network. Check it one by one. USB. Enable, disabled, and auto. Keyboard and mouse, enabled. Display, of course, you have to ThinkPad LCD 500 total graphics memory. Power, okay. This is the power. CPU, hyper-threading technology is enabled. This is permanently disabled. This is disabled. Okay, let's go to security. There's nothing. BIOS update option. Let's by default virtualization enabled, disabled. Okay. Then UEFI. UEFI only no CSM support. Quick enable, disable. Okay, now let's restart. To Lenovo. Plugging the USB. Okay, press power and then go to boot F12. Now generic plus this. Now you see it will boot. Select EFI external. Okay, and wait for, let's say, 1.5 minutes. Remember to put your Android device if you don't have an Ethernet connection, because you need internet connection to proceed with the installation. Without the internet, installation will not continue. Alright, it will take about 1.5 minutes to open it. Now on my boot I have a lot of selection because I already the Big Sur is already installed on this system, so there's a lot of option. In your system there is no option. Directly you can see the EFI folder and boot directly from there. Okay, wait. Now it started. Just wait. It's not hanging. It will continue. You will see a lot of error showing, acpi error. Just let it go. Let it boot. Let it boot. Let it boot. Now the graphics card has been detected. Let it boot. Let it boot. Now it's done. Okay. Now you do the installation. Okay. Thank you for subscribing. Please like,